Okay guys, welcome to another Mamemeister 10-minute mashup. This is Hyper Sports and this is by Imagine on the C64. This was released in 1985 and it's obviously based on the arcade game of the same name. Now I absolutely love this game to bits. It was just as good as I hoped it was going to be. Absolute classic. Now I've not played it for a good number of years, so I'm going to get my excuses in early. I do apologise about the squint cam, but it's sometimes more boring than it's worth actually trying to fix. Yeah, let's just leave it the way it is. So let's go. I've not played this for a long time. Probably about 30 years I would say. That is terrifying. But this is a great version of the arcade one, it really is. It just shows you what the C64 could actually do if it was used properly. Joystick waggling at its very best. No, bugger. I don't know what's going on here, whether it's a joystick, but it doesn't seem to be registering every time. Well, if you miss once, it can get quite difficult. That's better. It's just click on, it's just not working every time. Come on, it's quite slow to respond. Nah, the joystick's not the greatest for this one at all. It's just this isn't it. It's not performing at all, this one. But the graphics in this particular version are just absolutely spot on in the arcade. Ah, bugger! Ah, damn it! I'm just not coming round quite far enough. This one requires good concentration. Once you know when to fire the arrow, then it does get easier. This is probably one of the easiest events. And watch this, I'll probably go on to not qualify, but anyway. Yeah, the Spectrum, I have played the Spectrum version and I've got to say that is pretty impressive as well. Although I've definitely got to say that the C64 edges it because it just looks so much like the arcade one. Right, come on, need to concentrate. No, I'm not finding that at all. Need to get it a wee bit higher. No. What I want to do is get 5 in angle, so that's better. It's one of these ones, once you find your range, then it's usually not too bad. Ah, I've not one single bullseye. Hey! You end up finding you get more than one of these in a row once you've got one, but obviously not now that I've just opened my big mouth. Now I don't think this one has got the, is it the pole vault? I think the Spectrum one was the same. Which is a shame, but saying that I could never actually get past the triple jump in this one or the arcade. This will be fun. I could never get the hang of this one at all. Now this one's a lot easier because all you're doing is pressing the spacebar, not the spacebar, the fire button. The arcade one you actually have to kind of time it better. That's better. I love the sound in this game. It's just tremendous. As Martin Galway at his very best. This is my favourite note. Right, let's go for, whoops, we don't want to go for that, we want to go for flyweight. Whoops. I love the sound of this bit. Right, let's ramp up to, let's go for middleweight. This will be a bit tougher. Come on! I forgot how brutal these games are. Now the fact that this joystick, I mean I'm going hammer and pong here, I'm not even moving. No, I'm all spent now, I'm afraid. And we're back to swimming again. Oops, a daisy. So this one is all about qualification. Come on, it's just not working at all in this one. Nah. I wonder if I can. Nah, it's just not happening at all. It's looking ominous now, I think. I can usually get perfect on the first round, but not when this is just not working at all. Nah. Absolutely hopeless. I don't know if you can use the shift buttons. Let's give it a try. Probably not. Ah. Hey, that's a bit better. Proves I wasn't talking rubbish. Right, so interesting. Oh, come on! How would you know? It's 10 minutes anyway. It's probably perfect timing. That's not going to be it. That's not going to be it. I need to get a perfect landing, and that wasn't it. Anyway, listen guys, love that game to bits. That is Hyper Sports, and that is on the C64. I trust you've enjoyed watching it guys. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done already. And as usual, thank you very much for watching.